Examples. Find the formula for the nth term of the sequence whose first few terms are 4, 14, 40, 88, 164. We can see that we have 3 dots here that indicate that this sequence is an infinite sequence. Solution. Now we have 4, 14, 40, 88, 164, and we have 3 dots. So the first we need to find, we need to look for the first difference. The first difference, 14 minus 4, that is 10. Then 40 minus 14, that is 26. And 88 minus 40, that is 48. And 164 minus 88, that will give us 76. So in this case, we look for the second difference. The second difference. 26 minus 10, that will give us 16. And we have 48 minus 26. 48 minus 26, that will give us 22. And also we have from here, that's 76 minus 48, that will give us 28. That's 28. That's for the second difference. Now we need to look for the third difference. For the third difference, what are we going to have? 22 minus 16, that will give us 6. And 28 minus 22, that will also give us 6. We can see that at the third difference level, the differences are the same. So that is the target. At the third difference, they must have the same result here. You can see 6 here. This is also 6. Now we need this number. This is 6. We need this 16, this 10, and this 4 itself. Now, this 6 represent what? Let's write the n term first. N term is what? That's W plus xn plus yn squared plus zn cubed. Now, from here, this 6 represent, that is 6z equals to 6. 6z equals to 6. So if 6z equals to 6, we can divide both sides by 6. If we divide both sides by 6, what are we going to have? It means that z equals to 1. That's for the value of z. Now we need to find the next value. I think we can find y now. So in this case, this 16, what does it represent? 16 represents, that is 2y plus 12z is equals to 16. 2y plus 12z is equals to 16. And we know the value of z to be equals to 1. So it means that anywhere we see z here, we put what? 1 equals to 16. Then 2y will be equals to what? That is plus 12 times 1, that is what? 12 equals to 16. Now we collect the like term. 2y equals to 16 minus 12. And that's 2y equals to 2 rather. 2y equals to 16 minus 12, that is 4. So in this case, we are going to divide both sides by 2. Dividing both sides by 2, we have what? 4 divided by 2. 2 here 1, 2 here 1. So y equals to 2. That's the value of y. So now we need to find the value of x also. How do we find the value of x? That is, we have used this number, we have used this. So we need to use 10 now. So this, that is x plus 3y plus 7z, x plus 3y plus 7z equals to what? Equals to 10. Now, in this case, it means that anywhere we see y, we put what? 2. And anywhere we see z, we put 1. Anywhere we see y, we put 2. And anywhere we see z, we are going to put what? 1. So equals to 10. So in this case, we now have x plus 3 times 2, that's 6. 7 times 1, that is 7, equals to 10. So in this case, we now have x plus, or we collect the like term, we have 10 minus, by the time this number comes to the right, minus 6, then minus 7. So in this case, we now have x equals to what? Minus 6 minus 7, that is minus 13. So 10 minus 13, that is minus 3. So the value of x is equals to minus 3. We also need to get the value of w. So we know that the first term represents what? This first term here represents w plus x plus y plus z. So it means that w plus x plus y plus z equals to what? 4. So this is equals to 4. Now, in this case, anywhere we see x, we put minus 3. So we have w plus minus 3, then plus what? What is the value of y? The value of y is 2. So we substitute 2 for y. Then, what is the value of z? The value of z equals to 1. So we substitute the value of z, then equals to 4. Now, simplifying, at the left, we have w minus 3 plus 2, that is what? Minus 1. It's same thing as 2 minus 3. That's minus 1. Plus 1, that will give us 0. So this is w plus 0 equals to 4. It means that w equals to what? 4. Because w plus 0 will give us w. So now we have the values of w, x, y, and z. Now we can now write our nth term. It means that the nth term, Tn equals to what? We go back to the formula. We have w plus xn plus yn squared plus zn cubed. Now, what is w we put 4? And what's the value of x? Minus 3. Minus 3. So we have minus 3n here. What is the value of y? We have 2. So we have 2n squared. And what is the value of z? Z is 1. So we have 1n cubed. So in this case, we can write this as 4 plus times minus, that is minus. Minus 3n plus 2n squared plus n cubed. And we can also write it in this form. We can write this as n cubed, rearranging from the back, plus the next one, which is 2n squared, then minus 3n plus 4. This is Tn equals to n cubed plus 2n squared minus 3n plus 4. That is the solution to the problem. Thank you.